In this Flex GUI video, we're going to show you how to set up a bolt circle subroutine operation. So let's get started. First thing we do is add a page. Change the name. Now I'm going to copy and paste from another Qt Designer window just to save time. If you copy and paste, the dynamic properties will follow along. If you drag and drop, they won't. So that's our variables for the X start, Y start, bolt circle diameter, number of holes. We got that set as a minimum of 2. Start angle, Z start, Z depth, Z clear, feed rate, RPM. Our run button is an MDI button. It's going to call bolt circle. Save that. Now we're going to go to the parameters. I'm going to cut and paste from another file just to save typing time. There we go. We got our parameters 1000 to 1009. And we can see all our parameters in here. Now, got to hit the home button. Now that default to 2, you need to actually change that at least once when you first start, so it'll update. There you go. The parameter file. So let's gotta find the parameter file. We gotta edit the. Let's see. First, we gotta add a subroutine. Yep. All right. We gotta add a subroutine directory. Subroutines. And we're gonna create our file. And we're gonna go open the file. I'm going to copy and paste from a working subroutine to save a lot of time. And it's a bolt underscore circle's got to match the name of the file. The subroutine does. And this is where I figure out the radius from the circle, the angle, the number of holes. I find the center, shift the work offset, find a new center, and then this is going to position over the first hole, establishing the radius, and move to the Z start depth. And this line here is going to actually drill the holes, and then turn the spindle off, turn the offset off, move back to the original center. Okay. Now we've got to go to the RS-274 NGC section and add a subroutine path so that Linux CNC can find the subroutine. Go back to our INI file, add that subroutine path. Now the // means look in the current directory for that directory. Save that. Now define the X and Y center, bolt circle diameter, number of holes. Just leave the start angle at 0. Z depth has got to be a negative number. See all our parameters are updated. Now we're going to run. It's going out to the center. It's set a G92 offset, and it's doing all the bolt circles. on down to a depth of 1.5. That's 3. And there's our last one. It goes back to the 0, 0, x, y, 0, 0. So I'm going to add something here. Nope. I'm going to add the clear live plot menu name, which is going to create the action clear live plot. If you double click in there, you can paste and hit enter. You always got to hit enter if you add a menu item. Okay. And home all. Let's see, let's go to MDI. We're going to wrap it over to X2, Y2. Now we're going to set our origin at 0 for X and Y. Now you can see we're at X and Y 0. It's shifted the other file. Now we're going to change the X start to 0 and the Y start to 0. So we want to start there. I'm going to change it to 6 and run. And here we go. And we're drilling the holes. At the center being X0, Y0. Because we changed the coordinate system to there. That's useful if you probe, say, the center of a circle or something, like the center of a hole, and then you call that XY0. Now you see it moves back to the center. And that's it. Enjoy. We clear the plot. That works. All right. Bye.